Welcome to our LED display workshop. This is our high-speed SMT, surface mount technology, production line. Each LED module begins with precise automated placement of LED chips. Our pick-and-place machine ensures accuracy and efficiency. It can place thousands of LED beads per minute. Every step is monitored for quality assurance. After SMT, the modules are sent for reflow soldering. This process solidifies the connections for long-term durability. We maintain strict standards to guarantee consistent performance. This is how GraceVisual ensures every screen starts strong, from the inside out.